Our channel program is going to embrace the greatest parts of technology, and it's going to allow us to do things at a very rapid pace that may look different, but it should impact our channel community at a much faster pace than ever before. Postman is the leading API developer platform for being able to help document, test, and be able to understand APIs throughout their life cycle. Postman is trusted by over 40 million users around the world. 98% of the Fortune 500 use this technology today. Postman is helping the developer community understand how they're going to interact with the agentic future by really managing their APIs. There's 140,000 partners that are out there all clamoring for a customer's attention of why me, why I'm important, what's there. When I think about what we're here to do and what the opportunity is for reInvent, it's an opportunity for us to position Postman and the value we bring across the API lifecycle. I think those things integrated with AWS services can really help a company understand where they may have gaps in their governance, may have risks associated, but may have just challenges in their journey to modernize. APIs are the connective tissue that allow the organization to thrive. So whenever I think about what developers are trying to do, they need to be able to rely on a platform that they trust. And when I think about them using AWS API Gateway, whenever we start to look at AppSync, Lambda, other services, they need to be able to look at how can I take advantage of a holistic approach and a more of a way to look at this in a single unified view. Whenever we look at what our companies want, the biggest brands on the planet want guidance on the way in which they can go through API modernization. And Postman is a way to give them a platform that's going to basically help them accelerate that delivery and that journey. And I think if we can do that, we can reduce complexity, and we can also just strengthen the overall oversight and governance in that lifecycle. We see our customers are also at the intersection of this wild and unwieldy API lifecycle is now coming to a head. How can we use the partners in this ecosystem to help us scale? And I think that what we see is this is a strategic priority, and the demand signals for this are absolutely enormous. The AI has in the center as a nucleus APIs, right? And so we see that. We see the data strategy that companies are embarking on. They all need assistance. So Postman's footprint really can give our partner ecosystem an opportunity to build a way to differentiate and to build high-value services around this need that's really coming to a head right now. We're at a point where, with the number of people that we have daily in the top global system integrators, for example, they're not connected. And so to me, it's how do we make a program that allows them to discover each other? How do we allow them to work together? And how do we utilize the technology to help accelerate what people need in a program, leveraging agentic capabilities? And so what we're trying to position Postman for, we're already enabled and search ready within all of the LLMs. We're trying to really grab onto this and be able to take advantage of this in a new way.